I have reviewed a smart video doorbell and an outdoor security camera from Aosu. I was really impressed. So when Aosu reached out and asked if I wanted to check out the Aosu WirelessCam Max, I accepted straight away. As their products are really good, they did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither was I paid for this review. I do get to keep the cameras after the review. However, that is irrelevant. You will still get my 100% honest opinion. As always, if you want to pick this up or know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. And if I am able to get a discount code, I will also link that in the description box below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. So we get some information on the box here. 5 megapixel each camera, triple motion detection, 4-month loop recording. That's on this home base here. More on that later on. Some information on this side. Their app is really good. It's really simple to use and it has a nice layout. There is a QR code there to download the app from App Store and Google Play. 5 megapixel Ultra HD as mentioned before, 4 months loop recording, 100 dB intruder siren, 365-day battery life, 100% wire free, color night vision, it has a spotlight at the front, 166-degree viewing angle, IP66 weatherproof, triple motion detection, we get a spotlight, real-time notifications. The app is really good at pushing notifications. 33 feet HD night vision range it has. Here it's just letting us know what's included inside the box, which we will find out now. This is everything that was included inside the box. We get some stickers, instruction booklet, QR code there to download the app, Ethernet cable for the home base, two Type A to Type C charging cables. They don't provide an adapter because you can use your mobile phone adapter. I even use my mobile phone cable as well to charge them. I don't use these. Mounting hardware for both the cameras. Mounting base. There are two included because there are two cameras. Mounting bracket. I don't know if you'll be able to pick this up on the camera. The mounting bracket has a lock on and a lock off. You'd mount the mounting base first and then you could see where it says up, extra piece there. At the back of the bracket there's a cutout there. That fits on like this and then you twist it towards the lock on position. Power supply for the home base. Mine has a 3-pin adapter on it because I'm in the UK. I don't know the length of this but it's a decent length. Barrel type. Looking at the home base, we have some branding there that will light up. Speaker at the bottom, 4 rubber pads. At the back we have a QR code here where my thumb is. We have some more information there as well. We have the Ethernet port. This Ethernet cable, you'd put one end of it in here and the other end will go into any port of your router. USB-C port, that's where the power supply will fit. We have a sync button there as well. When it comes to storage, you get two options. You get this home base that has 32 GB storage and it will give you 4 months of loop recording. After 4 months, it will rewrite the file. The other option you have, you can subscribe to the cloud storage. And I think subscribing to the cloud storage will open up some more features as well. Onto the cameras, 5 megapixel UHD. The back where I have my thumb, we have a QR code there. That's the mounting thread where the bracket will fit. At the bottom we have a speaker, Type C charging port, sync button. I think you could get solar panels for these from Aosu. If you can and you live in a hot country, you don't need to worry about the battery. On the front of the camera we'll have a status light there when I turn the camera on. 166-degree field of view lens, spotlight, microphone, motion sensor. The first thing I need to do, I need to give this home base power. Use this Ethernet cable. I'm going to plug one end of it to this Ethernet port here. And the other end, I'm going to plug it to my router. I'll go and plug this home base in. After that, I'll come back here and we'll link the camera to the app. I've powered the home base up. The home base had a firmware update. I have done the firmware update. Now let's push sync on these two. The sync button is also the power button.
Hello. Hello.
Art, ready to scan?
Please scan the QR code on the device or home base with your phone. Please use the device to scan the QR code on your phone until the device emits a tone.
I only had to connect one camera, the second one paired automatically to the app because they linked together with the home base, because of course it comes as a package, this one home base and two cameras. You can add two more cameras. In total, you can have up to four cameras and one home base. And because the home base stays inside, it has built-in storage. If someone does manage to take the camera, I'll still have my recording on the home base. Or the other option is cloud storage. That is the safest way to go because you open up extra features and you will have the recording online 24/7. You don't need to worry about a thing. Okay, let's have a quick look at the app. Apologies, I couldn't show the step-by-step how to set the camera up because I forgot to press screen recording. It linked up really fast. I was up and running within minutes. Honestly, Aosu have got this app worked out perfectly. It's really simple to use, and to link the products up is really easy. At the top left hand side, it's given an option to view multicams. If I push on this, it's turned the screen around. You can see both cameras. Those ones just loading. I have both cameras on now. We've got a B there. Scrolling down, click on the cog where it says home base. So here where it says about, I'll click on here. This is information regarding the home base, and this is where we need to format the memory card as well. It's very important you do that before you start recording. Shared device, so you could share this with family and friends as well. You will remain the main admin. That's more for if you're on holiday and you can't access the internet, they can keep an eye on things. I had to update the firmware when I turned the home base on. Restart device and remove device. Let's click on one of the cameras. Look at the image quality from here. It looks really good. And I've mounted the camera high. It's got a good view as well. Pinch to zoom in. I don't know if you can see the second camera there. This play button here, that's your recordings. Save the recording as well from here. You could see the little arrow there. If I push on that, the recording will get saved in my camera roll, and it will get saved in 5 megapixel. It won't reduce quality. That's a good feature, that, because some cameras I've reviewed where we save the footage and it gets saved in a lower quality, UHD or SD. This depends on how good your internet is. You can press record from here. This recording again will get saved in your camera roll. We can also take a picture. Speaker, illumination, tone, you get a thick male voice. Talk, that's if you want to talk to the other person. Alarm, voice alert, it gives you 3 different voice alerts.
Please put the package at the door. Thank you. Hey, what are you doing here? Please get out of here now.
Clicking on the gear cog. Here we have camera on, shared device, motion detection enabled, detection zone. It flips the screen around. This is a really good feature. So add region. So say if my camera is pointed towards my neighbor's garden, I don't want to get notified when anything happens there. I could just select my area here. If I drag this out, I press save. I can also add another region. I press save again, and then I press done. Now anything that happens within that area, the app will push me a notification. We've got detection sensitivity. Leave it on automatic. Auto alarm. Enable the alarm from here if you want. Notification settings. We have night vision, cloud recording, video, audio, battery management. Make sure to fully charge the cameras before you mount them outside. Schedule sleep. And I don't know why you'd want to do this, but you can turn the camera off as well if you want for a few hours, or longer than that if you want, and then it will come back on the time you select. the little LED status indicator, you can turn that off if you want. Let's have a look at some daytime and nighttime image quality, courtesy of my little boy. Well, he told me he's ill, but now I'm starting to think that was just an excuse for him to stay in his PJs all day, because as soon as I put the cameras on, he started running around. Well, that's kids for you. Anyway, let me know what you think of the image quality. Also, one thing I should mention, as I mentioned in all my video reviews, the quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced to what I'm seeing because YouTube compressed the file. My overall thoughts, honestly, there's very little to say apart from it's a great piece of kit. Aosu have got this camera thing worked out really well, honestly. Right from the doorbell to the other camera to these cameras, the quality is fantastic. They give really good image quality. I really like the app. It's nice and simple. If you're not tech savvy, you will like this app. You won't get lost in it, because I have reviewed some apps that have sub menus. They have like a lot going on. This is nice and simple. The cameras are really easy to set up. The app pushes notifications really fast. As for battery, I don't know exactly how long it lasts because I fully charge the battery and then I put them outside. But as you can see, I have them in my back garden because of course it's school holidays and there are kids running around the front, and I don't have permission from their parent to upload the images to YouTube, which I wouldn't do anyway. So that's why I do all my camera reviews around my back garden. So there isn't much motion there. Time I spent with them, the battery hasn't gone down much at all. As I mentioned, the solar panel, I could get one of them. And even though we're in the UK, AOSU solar panels are upgraded. The camera I reviewed last time, panel only needed sun for 3 hours and it will fully charge that camera. Excellent. There's just one little thing I should mention, and this is for the people that have their routers in their bedroom. If you do not have your router in your bedroom, you don't need to worry about this. So the home base lights up quite bright. That may bother you if you have your router in your bedroom. So you might have to put some tape over that because it just lets you know that it's on really. There's no other function to it. So it's not like if you cover it up, you'll miss something, so it doesn't really matter. All in all, I could 100% recommend these cameras. As always, AOSU have done a cracking job. Link in the description box below if you want to pick it up. If I can get a discount code, I'll also link that in the description box below as well. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.